Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful day here in Branson and it is time to eat. So today we're taking it to McFarlain's. McFarlain's is known for a variety of different things, but their bakeries and pies are supposed to be top notch, and then their home cooking. But today we won't be eating alone. In fact, we have Mom with us. She's already masked up and ready to go inside. Are you looking forward to this, Mom?
I'm ready to find out what they have to eat.
Woohoo! So let's go. Okay, since we are sharing the building with the IMAX, we actually have a couple of movies here, and it looks like this is what's playing, and then this, look at this. That looks like it would be insane.
Fascinating.
Wow, that would be cool. And then there is also a show place here. That is the Little Opry Theater. And just as you come inside of the building, there's actually all sorts of shopping options. So you can find all sorts of cool things here, including an as seen on TV shop, a jewelry stand, and so many more things. Now, I'm not sure what all I can show you, but just know there's some cool little things that you could find here in this building. Like, look at this. These are so fun. Look at these. These are Bob Ross socks. Yeah. But they also have other kinds out here in the kiosk. Like, I really like these camping ones right here. Those are perfect for me. Inside here we have the Ozark Mountain Time Clock Shop and more. And they have some really unique clocks in here. Right here you'll find the box office, not only for the movies but also for the Opry, and you can pick up your tickets and then head on over to right behind this is actually the concessions. If you're interested in checking out the Little Opry Theater, they do have some really great shows. One of our personal favorites is Smoke on the Mountain, and it is coming soon with their show schedule. You can also see some other great ones. My dad likes this one. It's called Sons of Britches. They are absolutely hilarious and very good musicians. And then as you go back this way, that is where you'll find the actual show place. But what is this? It actually says here that this is a 1932 Chevrolet Master Eagle, and if you look down at the bottom, there's something that says Ozark Legacy and Legend. Now that shows at 10 a.m. at least today, and so I'm looking at this and I'm thinking this has something to do with it. Look at this. This is the scenes from it, and then as you're looking at this car, wow, this thing was underwater at one point in time. That's crazy. Now, I definitely wasn't expecting all this when I came in to eat today. So they have like a little museum area as well where you can see a few other things. So I'm going to show you a few of those, and then we're going to move inside McFarlain's and figure out what we're going to eat. And in this museum section with the displays I just showed you, they also have what's called a Hall of Heroes. Branson is really good about really celebrating the past of the people who served in our military, and I really like that. So there's an entire hall right here filled with photos of real life people who have served. And then this is really cool. You can actually see some of them have signed them, some of them have letters to them. Just really, really cool to see. And much like Branson, I like to say thank you as well. So thank you if you served in the military in any capacity, because you are the reason that I'm able to do what I do right now. Okay guys, it's the time in the video you have all been waiting for. We are going to go eat at McFarlain's. Now that we know what to do here in the shopping center, it is time to go see what we're going to put in our bellies right now. So let's get going. Okay, so Mom, what do you think about the overall vibe of the restaurant? I really like that this is like a barnwood look over here.
I do too. It's very comfortable and cozy right here.
Definitely.
You can eat your meal.
Definitely. And the rest of the restaurant has some really cool theming as well, with some of the older like things that they would have used to farm. And then of course there's a deer head, which okay, it is what it is. Okay guys, let's get down to the meat and potatoes of it, so to speak. This is the menu right here. We have legendary meats, and then we have our log cabin creations right here. And then on the other side, we have Ozark appetizers, soups and salads, and prospectors platters. Now we did just find out that they have two different kinds of soup tonight. One is chicken noodle and the other one is vegetable beef. And then the two vegetables of the night are green beans and corn. So the legendary meats are both chicken and fish, and then the log cabin creations are beef and pork. So that kind of gives you an idea as to how they've divided things out. And then you have lots of different options within that. So we're gonna have a hard time deciding what exactly we want tonight. Everything sounds kind of delicious. I do know that I'm probably not going to get like a burger or a sandwich tonight because they are known for their plates of food. So I'm gonna lean more toward that, I think. What did you get? What did you get?
All right, can't pass up a good meatloaf. So there's meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and green beans.
Okay, we're looking forward to seeing that. And then I picked up the chicken fried chicken, which comes with your choice of potato. So I ended up with the baked potato and corn. I'm gonna try their corn. Yeah, so I'm kind of excited. This should be a pretty decently sized portion from what I've been seeing kind of floating around the restaurant, and I am hungry. Okay, so they brought out these awesome little plates. These are so cool. Right here, they're just little tiny plates. But also they brought out this. Oh, look at that mouth-watering cornbread. It is big. Look at this. Mom's putting it on the plate right there. Look at that size right there. That's a chunk. And it's coated in that oh so yummy butter. Now if you're interested in eating light in Branson, this probably will not be the meal to watch. Although they do have some lighter options here, this is not that video, so just scroll on past. I'm so excited right now. So here we go. This is really yummy. The cornbread is like a sweet cornbread to start with, and this butter is like a next level of sweetness. They have, it's definitely like a honey butter, but it's almost, I feel as though it almost tastes like whenever you eat like buttercream frosting, but like a little bit less sweet. Just a little though, not much. It's just so good.
I'm accustomed to the ketchup being cooked on top, but I'm really excited to try this anyway.
Well, it looks yummy, and those green beans look extremely yummy. Those are my favorite thing on your plate. They're so bright. What do you think, Mom?
Has a great flavor.
Okay, so the ketchup is still not a deal breaker. Okay, now it's time to have this really, really yummy bite of chicken here. There's a little bit of pepper in the gravy that really like hits that chicken just right. And the batter, a lot of times whenever you get chicken fried chicken or chicken fried steak, there's a whole lot of batter and not very much meat. This is not that way at all. This actually has a really nice crust without it being overwhelming. So I'm going to enjoy this a lot. The gravy also has a little bit of what looks like parsley on top of it. And normally parsley kind of fades into the distance and is only good for like looking at it. But this one, I can get those little flavor bites of the parsley too even, which I really wasn't expecting. So this is a very flavorful piece of chicken fried chicken, to say the least. And Mom's letting me try one of her green beans since I was so obsessed. They have little tiny slivers of onion in there, and it tastes like a little bit of maybe garlic, just a little bit, not too much, just a little, just enough to give it a good flavor. Look at all of this butter and sour cream in this potato. Oh my gosh, this is like, I was kind of wondering. Sometimes you don't get very much, and sometimes you get this much. Wow, look at this creaminess. And we're gonna take our bite here. It's really good. Now, I normally have to ask for extra sour cream, not so much today. This is actually perfect for me. Now, I will say this. If you like a little bit of sour cream, you might ask for the sour cream on the side so that you can add it to your potato yourself, because they are very, very liberal with it. Okay guys, so again, this is McFarlain's Restaurant and Bakery at the IMAX Entertainment Complex. It's super easy to find right off of Shepherd of the Hills. And this was our meal. We both got waters. Mom got the meatloaf, I got the chicken fried chicken, and our grand total was $28.77. So super reasonably priced meal, and I am stuffed. Okay, I am so full now. Mom, what do you think about the meal?
Oh, it was great, but I'm full too. I loved the meatloaf. One personal preference of mine is to have that ketchup, not like it was. There was a whole lot just put on after it was cooked. I like it on there while it's being cooked.
And I did try Mom's meatloaf, and I would have to agree that that is my personal preference as well, but the meatloaf tasted delicious. And my fried chicken was so good, guys. I can definitely see why that's one of the most popular dishes on the menu, and people come here to get it. The batter was just chef's kiss, and it had that wonderful country gravy on there that it had just that little hint of pepper. It wasn't too salty. In fact, nothing I had today was too salty. And that cornbread, wait a second, hang on. The cornbread, Mom, the cornbread. Yes,
cornbread.
That was where it was at.
Yes.
I could eat just the cornbread by itself. So if you're interested in coming out to McFarlain's, please leave me a message in the comments below as to what you ordered and what was your favorite thing about the menu. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for future content, check out my food playlist. I have tons of different restaurants, not only here in Branson, but across the US. Until next time, guys, bye!